Exactly 1 year ago, I set out to build my first startup. I woke up at 5 a.m. for 30 days, and by the end of the month, I had my first startup. Today, I have 4 startups with the 5th on its way, all thanks to the first startup. So today, I'm gonna walk you through what I built, how I built it, and how I used my first project to build all these things for myself in no time. So without further ado, let's get right to it. It all started in March last year when I was doom scrolling on YouTube. I was scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, and suddenly I reached an interesting video. It was a video by Mark Liu. The video was about a boilerplate project that enabled him to ship products insanely fast. After having watched this video, I watched it again. After the second time of watching the video, I got to work thinking. He had inspired me to build my own version with my own opinions and my own tech stack. So I decided what better way to build this project than to wake up at 5 a.m. for 30 days building my first startup. And along with that, documenting the whole journey on this YouTube channel. If you haven't watched the video, go watch it. So after the 30 days finishing the product, half a year went by where I hadn't used it for anything. And I had been busy working and attending school and stuff like that. But from attending all these different activities, I got an idea for a project. A Slack bot that enables you to summarize messages using AI. So I got this idea because in my group we use Slack to communicate, and throughout the week we type in remember this, remember that, and different people say different stuff that we need to remember and put in the report, but we always keep forgetting. So I thought it would be nice if every week I could get a summary of what has happened throughout the week and then see if we missed anything. So I started building using my first startup. This is how Catch Up was born. In only 3 days I managed to build everything using my new boilerplate project. It had never been this easy for me to build any projects before. And also I managed to finish the product and ship it as well in this short period. In the past it has been really difficult for me to ship anything because when I started something I got quickly demotivated because I had to do the same stuff over and over again. So actually managing to finish this project and be able to ship it was a huge accomplishment. And if you're interested in viewing the product for yourself, there's a link in the description to the page. After that, another 3 months goes by and I hadn't used my boilerplate project for all this time. But then I decided to make a big change. During my 30-day challenge, I managed to land my first client.
I've landed my first client.
This product was built without using the boilerplate and using a whole different tech stack. So after all this time, I decided to remake the whole thing using my boilerplate project. And now today it's much better, much faster, and more easily scalable. And of course it has much better design now. From here it only took 2 months for me to get a new idea. A platform where I could collect all the stocks I have. This project is called Stalker. The idea came from me having a problem where I have stocks at 3 different providers. So at a specific time I don't know the total value of my whole portfolio. So I decided to build a tool where I could type in the different stocks and the average buy price that I bought the different stocks for and enable me to view my total portfolio value. It's very easy. You just search for the stock, then you type in the amount you bought the stocks from, and then the page takes care of the rest for you. This has really helped me get an overview of all my investments, even though I prefer not to look at them right now. Along with this, I thought, let me try to get some more outreach on my different products, because throughout this 8 months, I hadn't really gotten any traffic on my product. So I decided to try and market some of my products in different ways. One of the ideas I got was to post about it on LinkedIn. And this worked really well. Given that this product is a free product, I got a lot of signups just from LinkedIn. So that was a huge win for me as well. If you're interested in trying the product, a link is provided in the description. Right now, I'm just focusing on how can I market my different products, what do people actually need me to build, and how can I solve my own problems. So that's basically it. Having built one startup 1 year ago, changed my developer career from wanting to be an indie hacker to actually being one. And this is such a cool feeling. Even though I have 4 startups at the moment, I'm not slowing down. I have a 5th on its way and I'm trying to launch it as fast as possible to get validation from the customers if they actually want to use my product. This is my journey from 0 startups to 4 startups in 1 year, and I hope you can use this information to just get inspired a little bit and go out and build your own boilerplate project that enables you to ship products much faster. When you have a boilerplate project, it's much easier to start a project and finish a project without getting demotivated, because you have built all the foundations and you just need to focus on one specific feature that will provide value for your users. I will be talking more about the different products in the future, so if you're interested, subscribe and stay tuned for the upcoming videos about the different products, and feel free to comment down below if you have any questions regarding any of my projects. So without more to say, except for shout out Mark Liu for putting me on this trajectory, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.